Good morning from Before the See Me. This is Chris Robinson with your comment here today, Traders Exclusive. In the grains, we're going to start first with the funds. Number one, funds are still long about 64,000 contracts of corn, short 52,000 contracts of Chicago wheat, and they're short about 25,000 contracts of beans. You've got to pay attention to Friday's commitment to traders report because that will show the adjustments and the bet sizes that they've made. So they're still long corn. Number two, if you look at where we are technically, November beans, new beans, just made a new low for the move. It's a 4-year low in the weekly nearest charts, 1021. A lot of traders are looking at the $10 level. Big round numbers attract a lot of interest. So look at that. For new crop corn, if it takes out 358, which is the low of the move recently, and we're only about 3 cents away from that here today, that could open up a door again to a nice round target of 350. So watch that. And of course the wheat, we had a good rally in the wheat last week. You know, we had about a 25, 30 cent bounce. That's just been pulled down by the continued reports of good yields in the corn. Wheat probably will be a follower of corn if history is anything to be judged by. You know, we look like we might have some independent strength in wheat coming out of the issues in the Ukraine, but it was pretty short-lived. Now, last week I talked about the SEP-NOVA spread in the beans, the old crop, new crop. That squeeze was on. September, in 9 days, it rallied $1.18, and now it's broken $1.07. So we had a spike up on the short squeeze, and we've come all the way back down. That SEP-NOVA spread, when I talked about it last week, was trading around 60. It traded up to a high yesterday of about $1.24, $1.25. It's back down to 67 here today. So I told you about that trade. It was an opportunity because you got movement. If you had it on the wrong way, obviously you had your clocks cleaned. Watch September beans because first notice day is Friday. You really shouldn't be trading SEP beans at this point unless you've got the beans to actually deliver. You don't want to be caught in that situation. But that was an interesting trade. Hopefully you took a look at that when I mentioned it last week. I think as time goes on, we're going to be watching the yields. If we get high yields coming in from the Delta, it's probably going to put more pressure. In other words, could open up the door to lower prices in the grains. We'll have to watch the horizon for any sort of unexpected news. But in the grains right now, the story is we're grinding at 4-year lows. From Before the See Me, this is Chris Robinson. Have a great day.